Hi friends, welcome to the WizBiz Talks of Rotary District 3141. I am your host Dr. Manish Motwani, a weight loss surgeon, bariatric surgeon, and also the Chief Coordinator for Rotary District 3141 for 2021. WizBiz Talks is a unique and hot from oven initiative, a brainchild of District Governor 2021 Sunil Mehra. WizBiz Talks is also an initiative to support Rotarians to support Rotary. In these interviews, we speak to visionary Rotarians who, by virtue of their selfless work towards the community, have reached important decisive positions, and their actions will help Rotary to serve more, to make a difference in the community. Friends, today we have with us a very close friend of ours and a very senior Rotarian Hemendra Shah from one of the pioneer districts of Rotary District 3141, that is Rotary Club of Bombay North. Friends, Rotary Club of Bombay North is a pricely club. It is a premier club of the district. And when Rotarian Hemendra Shah is taking over the responsibilities of Rotary Club of Bombay North, you should understand that he is a person who is a man of integrity, a hardworking person, a professional person with a human touch. And that is the reason why Rotary Club of Bombay North has entrusted upon Hemendra Shah the responsibility to be at the helm of affairs to take over the club as president for the year 2021. Friends, with this small introduction, I would like to present in front of you our very dear friend, a Rotarian with integrity, Rotarian Hemendra Shah.
Namaste Rotarians and my dear friends. Well, I think I don't know whether I deserve all these accolades, but anyway, whatever you have said, hopefully that may be right. I am from Rotary Club of Bombay North, as he has mentioned, and incidentally, I'm a president this year, and because of certain circumstances, I'm going to be a president next year also.
This is so nice, Hemendra ji. This speaks volumes of the trust your club has on you, and you have been told to continue for one more year. That means I'm aware that there would be certain plans in your mind, certain projects in your mind, which probably would have not been done completely in the last year, and you have now the rights and the support of your club to take it further in the coming year and accomplish all your dreams for yourself and for your clubs. So Hemendra ji, now we would like to move ahead with certain questions that we've got for you. Hemendra ji, we have met you a few times in Rotary. I know a bit about you on Rotary front, but all our viewers here would also like to know something more about you on your personal front.
Well, let me start with, I was born in Mumbai. I have spent my time in 3 continents, both for studies and professional career. I did my primary education in Sudan, in Africa, and part of the secondary education also there. Then moved to Mumbai, did my 9th, 10th and 11th standards, higher secondary, secondary education and the college education. Then I moved to England for about 7 years there, and I did my professional education. I qualified as a chartered accountant there. Came back, did my post-qualification experience of about 1.5 years there, and came back to India, and got married. I got 2 kids, son and daughter. My son and my daughter-in-law both are computer engineers and computer engineers, and they are living in Dubai for last 10 years. My daughter, she is in Bangalore, and she is married to a Kannadiga, and she has one lovely child, 3 years old. Again, she is also a computer engineer, and my son-in-law is a mechanical engineer by profession, but specialized in wedding photography. So that's the thing. And my son and daughter-in-law, they have got 2 kids. They are both in Dubai. All of family is in Dubai. My son, I think he educated in USA, both my son and daughter-in-law, um, as a computer engineer, and then they did MBA in India. So that's as far as the family goes. As far as my hobbies goes, yes, I am an athlete and a sportsman. I did during my career in England. I did hitchhiking. I did mountain climbing in Spain, second highest mountain in Spain, called Posets. I stayed 2 nights up there in the mountain in a very tough terrain. So that's as far as my life goes. My wife, Bhavna, she's a graduate from Sydenham College. She has been working with me, working in London, but after we got a child, then she gave up the work and managed the house very well.
That's so nice, Hemendraji. It's a pleasure to know so much about your personal life. Now, I would like to know something from you about your work, about your profession. See, what we do in Rotary is we always said that how can you help Rotary through your vocation? So, I would like to know something about your vocation, your profession, what you have been doing, and how would you like to be of some support to Rotarians through your vocation?
Yeah, as I mentioned that I'm a chartered accountant and my career lasted for about 38 years with A. Ferguson and Company and Deloitte. I retired on March 19. I had experience as far as audit is a directorship of a company. And also I'm a president of the Rotary Club. So any services any member requires with regard to the profession or advice, they can always contact me.
With your vast experience, Hemendraji, I am sure that there would be so many who would be waiting to come and speak to you after knowing this interview, and I'll be taking your consent to even pass on your cell number to people if at all they need to have some opinion from you regarding their personal work towards the professional work or even Rotary work. At the same time, Hemendraji, you have taken up a very important position for the coming years as the president of the Rotary year. You would have had certainly some plans for the year ahead. At the same time, you would have had certain challenges now coming up because of the COVID times. So I just want to know that what are your plans for 2020 for Rotary? And if at all there have been challenges, how do you feel you are going to overcome those challenges? Which can be like an example you set in front of not just your club, but all the Rotarians of District 314.
Yeah, my case is slightly different because what happened is I'm already a president and becoming a president. So let me just quickly tell you that I became a president, I became a Rotarian in 2013, and I am a president in July 19. This year we did a lot of global grants, as you are aware, 6 global grants and a project worth about $1 million on global grants only, apart from other projects which we did. So that way I'm pretty good on as far as the work is concerned. The only issue really is that there are so many white spaces which I need to fill in. And I think I got an opportunity to fill up those white spaces next year. And some of the white spaces, what we're talking about is, for example, the CSR activity is not really taking off in a big way, so which I want to take it off in a big way. The water projects, which again, we were not doing much, so we are going to do that way. Vocational skill development, which we have not been doing much. So that we would like to really take it a big way. And certainly the projects which Sunil Mehra announced with regard to the Vision 2021, we would be participating in those projects like low cost housing and various other projects, children's aspect. Basically, we have been concentrating really, if you look at it, in the medical and education. We have a center, vocational center, our own center here, and we're doing it, but it's at a very low, small scale. So we need to really move forward and go in a big way. These are the white spaces which I would like to cover. Secondly, also I would like to cover the leadership. We need to develop the leadership within the club. So, in fact, this year's my vision is becoming a major investor as a catalyst for a larger communities, creating a bench strength of leadership for service and fellowship with a focus on a virtual world. These are the ones. The first part is becoming a catalyst. The reason is that when we went for a global grant, we had to connect with the international partners. So we want to really now bring us together with the international partner, have a common meetings, visit them, they can visit us. So and have a more fellowship meeting, more weekly meeting, invite them to attend. So we are changing that whole goalpost, and within the club, what we are trying to do is move the needle from acquaintance to friendship to family. So that's the plan actually.
So these are some amazing ideas, amazing thoughts. I'm sure, Hemendraji, with your vast knowledge and your experience and your positivity, there will be many more Rotarians and in the district, many more presidents of other clubs who would be motivated to do something more, something different and something better. I'm sure you'll also be getting calls from different clubs to tie up with them for various projects. And I'm sure a person like you would always be forthcoming in trying to support other clubs, smaller clubs, to ensure that the work of Rotary does not stop. Hemendraji, I'm again very thankful for you to accepting our invitation and coming for the WizBiz talks. I hope you had a nice time. We definitely had a lovely time interviewing you and looking forward to meeting you again and again during the Visionary Year and thereafter, so that this friendship really blooms and we take Rotary ahead together.
Thank you, Manish.